Alright, I admit it, Google pays me. No, wait, don't jump to conclusions. Google does actually pay me, but they pay me to answer micro-surveys, questions like, were you at this supermarket yesterday? Did you pay by credit card or did you pay in cash? It's not a scam, but it's not out of Google's generosity either. And to be completely honest, they only pay me a few cents, nothing more. Today, I decided to talk to you about Google Opinion Rewards. It's a Google app that offers you micro-surveys in exchange for Google Play credit if you have a phone with the Android operating system, but even friends with Apple devices can use this application. In fact, Google also gives you PayPal credit. So let's get to the point and make it clear right away that we're talking about payments of just a few cents, as I mentioned earlier. It's not going to change your life, but you might be able to buy a few paid apps without having to spend your own money. Since we grew up knowing that no one gives you something for nothing, let's try to understand why Google does this. And this is the interesting part. If Maps thinks I was at a specific supermarket yesterday, it's likely that it will ask me a question directly about it, and I'll have to confirm whether or not I was actually there. If I answer yes, the algorithm improves. If I answer no, the algorithm corrects itself. We could say that what's happening is that Google isn't buying my opinion. What Google is actually buying is data validation. In short, there isn't some lady Google spying on you from behind the curtain. Now let's take a look at how this application works. I'll show it to you live on my phone. Let's access the application starting right from the notification that gave me the idea for this video. In this case, Google Opinion Rewards is asking me to upload a photo of the receipt from a possible purchase I made at this restaurant. By clicking on the three dots up here, I can confirm that I haven't been to this store, that I visited but didn't make any purchases, and so on. Each of these responses will result in a reimbursement from Google, which can be higher or lower depending on the type of information we provide. On the other hand, by going to the main screen of the application, we can see that at the moment I don't have any new surveys to answer except for the one related to uploading receipts. Out of curiosity, I can click on the menu and go check the reward history, and you can see that since I started using this application, Google has awarded me a total of 172 euros. Before any of you get too excited, you should know that we're talking about rewards given starting from
whole eternity later.
Since 2015, it's pretty clear, as you can see here on the left, that the amounts are small. We're talking about 18 or 20 cents, but drop by drop, over these 10 years, Google has given me 172 euros, which I have used entirely to purchase paid applications. And so, I treated myself to a few digital indulgences by purchasing some more professional apps, or by making some in-app purchases within the applications themselves. You can also see down here that there's the option to invite some friends to install the app. This is the classic referral code. I'll leave it for you in the description, but sorry. I can't tell you how much Google gives to each person because I've never used it before. The data you confirm helps to understand real behavioral trends and to improve products like Maps or local recommendations. Google pays very little for this validation for three main reasons. The first is that these are micro feedbacks, and not much effort is required from the user. The second reason is that these microfeedbacks are distributed on a large scale, so the same question is asked to a huge number of people. Finally, the third reason, which is perhaps the one Google cares about most, is that this information is used, as I already mentioned, to help train predictive models of behavior. Perfect! Now you've seen everything, and most importantly, you have the elements you need to decide whether you think it's worth it. My answer is, it depends. In a certain sense, we could say that technology is neither good nor bad, but rather it's an exchange. And once we understand what we're exchanging, we can then decide what our choice will be. If you decide to install this application and expect to earn money to become a millionaire thanks to it, forget about it. Personally, I decided to keep it because I prefer to be an informed user rather than a frightened one. And what do you think? Will you try out this application? Let me know as always in the comments. Give a like, subscribe to the channel, and remember, this too is digital education.